In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw referral money on eToro. Now this is really simple, guys. Keep in mind you first need to have invited some friends and they need to have done whatever they need to do for you to get the rewards. So send them your link and they need to follow the steps. I think they need to deposit some money and then you'll get your reward. After you've done that, you can simply head over to withdraw funds and you'll be able to see your funds that you're able to withdraw. Now, I don't have any in here, but for you, you should have some if they completed the steps that they need for the reward program. After that, you can simply select how much you want to withdraw, press next, and then you can select alternative method, which is your bank account, or you can withdraw in eToro money. So that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple. Just keep in mind that your friends need to use your specific link that you send them, and they also need to complete the reward steps before you can get any rewards. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.